Hey guys, Ryan Bachelor here. How's it going? Just about springtime. We got the snow melting. We got warm weather and the sun's out. So I spent the day today cleaning out the barn, getting it ready for the bikes. Just been working on stuff around the property, kind of getting everything set up. Hopefully the next week or two I'm going to be going to pick up a ramp. I set up a metal ramp that I'm going to be using this year. It's not your typical competition ramp, it's more of a third gear ramp, which in my opinion is a little bit easier to learn some tricks on. It sends you a little bit further. It's not as poppy. You come into it a little bit quicker. But yeah, it's just generally a little bit easier of a ramp to learn stuff on, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Once I get that here and on the property, I'll be pretty laid back about things. So I'm a little stressed out right now. I got a lot on the go. I got a lot to figure out and kind of coordinate. But Dustin's helping me with that, and I got a couple other buddies as well. So it's moving along. This footage that we're watching right here is just some stuff from out back. It's kind of like what I do every time I get on the bike. I just run the perimeter of the property. I have this little one-line trail here that's pretty pounded out from the ears. It's kind of a cool little place. I like this spot here, this transfer. I like this transfer. I've seen some people tank off that one. That one's a little more tricky than it looks. It kicks you funny when you leave it. And then this would be the track. It's kind of like a mixture of a supercross track and a national style track. It's mostly sand with like a little bit of clay dust mixed in, so when you do get it wet and pack her down, she does kind of turn into something solid, but other than that she rips up pretty good, so it's fun to play around on. This jump right there, that one's pretty fun. That one will test most people coming out. If somebody hits that right off the bat, I'm like, alright, you're pretty good. Don't have to really worry too much about you tanking and dying. This third jump right here is probably everybody's favorite jump, next to this step up. This little step up coming up on the right here. It's hard to see from this angle, but when we come back around, you'll catch her. This coming up on the right is the old freestyle landing, so you can see the ramp on the left there. And then this would be part of the track here, but I need to rework it, so it's been off limits for about a year now, just because I didn't have time last year to fix it. So this year I'm going to be on that. And then this is the old track. This has been around for 10 years before this part. It's changed lots, but that step up on the right's sick. I love that big step up. That thing's fun. This is everybody's favorite jump here. Everybody seems to love that one the best. This little rhythm section's kind of cool. Nothing special, just I had some really crazy poppers on those for a while, and nobody had hit them, including me. I was actually kind of scared of them for a while, so I changed them out. I love that little jump. I don't know. That one taught me to scrub the other way. I normally scrub the opposite way from what I just did there, but oh, what a bog! That bog's so hard coming in there. Oh, that was embarrassing. Happens. It happens. I'm not the greatest rider out there, that's for sure. Yeah, so in the next couple weeks I got some cool stuff coming. We're going to be doing some track reworks. I'm going to be remaking some of my how-to videos, like my how to wheelie video and my how to whip video. I think I'm going to make another video too. I noticed a lot of people struggle with hitting the rear brake in the air, so if you guys want to see a how to hit your rear brake kind of video that breaks it down and kind of gives you the learning progression for it, I'll make one of those, because that's a fairly easy one, and that's a very important piece to have. Almost off every jump that you take, it's nice to have that up and down control of your front end. So if you're going too nose high up with something, you can tap that rear brake and actually mid whip right there. I'll rewind this. I actually hit the rear brake a little bit just to bring down that front end in the middle of that. So that's just natural. After a while, it just comes to you. So I'll make a video about how to do that. And then I was thinking about also maybe making a couple videos on how to make a dirt bike jump, because I know a lot of people keep asking me about that, and it's something that's fairly simple. This step up that I'm about to show you guys is actually a fairly easy jump to build. It just takes a tractor or a lot of shoveling. So you just usually will find a hill similar to what you've seen on there, and then dig your jump up above where you want the lip to be and push all that dirt down onto the dirt below it, and build your jump off of that solid dirt underneath it, so you're not kind of creating a pit. You're creating a pit above your jump and pushing your dirt downhill. A lot of people dig to the sides or below and shovel up, and then they find themselves overworking themselves, so they just feel like they can't get a lot done. It's a lot more efficient when you build above and shovel down, because that will give you not only a hole to dig from to add dirt if you do need it, but it also gives you like a solid platform for when the ruts come in, so your initial run up isn't as soft as it would be if you were to just pile all that dirt up. This is the first couple times I hit this jump here, so this I think might have been the second time I hit it. I can't remember. I know it was fairly early on though. My dad hates when I roll on this golf course like this, but today I had to do it. I had to have this little bit of an extra run in. The run into this is like actually pretty sketchy. I didn't have a lot of time to build it up, so I couldn't make that corner. I tried a couple times, it was sketch. So yeah, I have to do that little bit of a run in first. But yeah, anyways, that jump is by far my favorite jump out here right now. I have a bigger version of that one that I can build that's further into the property. Twice as big, it's safer, and the run up's way better. So I'm stoked to build that next year. Once that thaws out, like probably in early May, I'm gonna definitely be sending some videos of that. So anyways, guys, that was the Motolog for the day. So make sure if you definitely like the video, hit that like button because that helps, and subscribe. Send me messages, hit me up on Instagram. I got a lot of other videos on Instagram. Definitely some stuff that isn't up on YouTube, so check out my Instagram, and hopefully you guys enjoy this one, and see you on the next one.